Okay, time to make like a guillotine and head off. Okay, new day, more working on the beam, trouble you. So obviously last night we definitely stripped it all out, found out the problem that we've got with the head gasket here. You can see there is water pooling there. It's leaking out of that head gasket. You can see the green all running along the back of that. So what we've actually decided is that we're going to take it down to the workshop that Tim works at. They're going to drop the engine out of the frame. They've got the right tools to do it. It's going to be so much easier than trying to do it here. But they have asked me just to do a few things to make it a little bit easier for them. First one being going to rip off the exhaust. So that's my job for tonight. And then we'll strap it on the trailer and take it down to their workshop, and hopefully they can get it sorted relatively quickly. And of course the first problem we get into is, remember that 10mm socket that Colin was looking for last night? We need it to remove the exhaust bolts. So I'm going to spend the next, I don't know, half hour trying to figure out which part of oblivion that little piece of, anyway, socket has disappeared into. Probably down there somewhere. Let's get searching. Found it. Holy crap, I found it. It was lying on a bit of wire. Just suspended, tucked away up in there. Yes! Now, will the spinner even fit on these? Nope. And, okay, that 10mm is not going to work on that anyway, because they are star point bolts. Which means I'm going to have to get this little piece of crap in there. So, see how we go. Okay, so got most of the springs off. What I'm actually going to do is take off the rest of the exhaust here, just so I can get all this out of the way. And then to get those last couple of springs, which are right in there, I'll be able to take out a couple of these plates straight away, and well, this whole runner will be able to come out and give my hands a bit more room to work in. So the exhaust is pretty much just held together by springs from this point onwards. Okay, exhaust is off. Kept it together. That all looks reasonably clean inside those. Just keep it all together so that I know where it all goes back together when I'm putting it back on the motorcycle. Awesome. Well, that wasn't too bad. I did have to remove drop the radiator just down enough to get my hands in there. There's no carbonyl oil coming out the bottom of those exhaust ports, so you know, should look pretty good. What do you reckon, Duke? Oi, he's so deaf. No, he's not interested. Right, yeah, chuck it on the trailer and take it into the workshop.
you?
No, he wants us to. He has he's starting a YouTube channel. Don't know why.
Like a time slip.
Anything we say on the camera will be used against us, Kieran.
Just so you know, Tim fucked it, not me.
I was going to block off, mate. That's fucking cool.
It's clutch cable off.
They're tight, boy.
S1000RR race bike. Well, it was. It's like a Flintstone mobile at the moment.
Yeah, what are you doing to them?
Take the head off. It's got some sort of coolant leak where it's head gasket, hopefully. It could be a corroded block. Most race bikes have like a non-glycol based coolant, like a water or something. And they just rot the blocks.
So, George, you know when you go to BMW Australia?
Sorry?
You know when you go to BMW Australia?
Yeah.
Have you seen the race bike that's in the showroom?
I've never been.
Oh. Well, there's a race bike that's in the showroom,
Yeah.
and this is the sister bike to that.
Oh, yeah.
I want to see what cam shafts are in it. Fucking hurry up.
You want to see the shaft, do you?
I want to know. Who knows?
Oh well, Tim. I'm not going to hold it against you.
What?
You want to see the shaft? You want to see the shaft? Who wants to hear a dad joke?
Here we go. Go on, tell us.
Go on, man. What's brown got a hole in it? What? A donut. Huh?
Oh boy. That's fucking horrible.
What?
That's fucking horrible.
The donuts are round and they have a hole in the middle. You had one yesterday.
Oh, that was a fuck.
That was a good donut though.
Oh, don't get me thinking about. Don't get me thinking about that donut. It don't feel right. Stop camshafts. Tell you what, there's no mowing on the motor.
So that's where we leave it for now. I'm sure you guys can appreciate the skill level that Tim and Kieran have showed in dismantling that engine. If I had a crack at it, I'm sure it would have taken me 10 times as long and probably would have broken a few bits while doing it. So Tim sent me some pictures of both the block and the head. You can see that there's no corrosion in there, which is awesome. Apparently these blocks and heads from this era of S1000 can do it if you run water instead of coolant in the engine. So I've lucked out with this one. So I've ordered the parts from good old Deutschland. That's a new set of head studs and a new head gasket. They should be here soon, be going together as soon as possible. I do have a track day in about a week's time. I'm hoping I can make it with the Beamer. If I can't, I've always got the Super Duke up my sleeve. So stay tuned, like and subscribe, and you'll get to see what happens over the next week or so.